is Tyler Oates, Regional Manager for Midwest Machinery, also serve as the location manager at our Morris location. I've been with Midwest Machinery, previously Amundsen Peterson, since 2014, holding a sales position prior to becoming location manager. As a regional manager, I work directly with our Elbow Lake, Morris, Alexandria, and Wadena locations. Today, I'm here to talk to you about Field Team. Fully inspected equals less downtime. Midwest Machinery service and support plans ensure that both you and your machines are ready for the season. Fully inspected equals less downtime. By becoming a Field Team member, we take the worry out of your maintenance needs. If you commit multiple machines to Midwest Machinery for inspection, we'll reward you with a very special list of benefits. Manage your operation while we maintain and optimize your equipment investment. You can have peace of mind while taking advantage of strong performance, enjoying longer equipment life and higher trade-in value when you are ready to upgrade. Now, let's go through what Field Team is for 2021. Field Team is a program we came up with at Midwest Machinery a couple years ago to help with service for our customers. As you can see here, here is our 2021 program by Midwest Machinery. What it is it's an inspection package for the multiple lines of equipment across your farm, starting with combines, planters, tractors, all the way down to corn heads, platform heads, sprayers, skid steer, stationary engine, and hay equipment. So what it is, starting specifically on the combines, is you are charged for an inspection of $525. When we do the work to your combine at our Midwest Machinery location, you will get a labor credit back of $525 right away. So the inspection cost is free once labor has been done. Along with that, you'll get a Power Guard discount of $500. As we all know, with the higher costs of equipment and as things continue to change, having warranty on our equipment is a very good opportunity. So anytime you can save some money on a warranty option, it should benefit the customer there. Moving on to planters, we have inspection program for planters up to 18 rows at $270, then 24 rows and up at $480. Again, the labor credit matches right along with that. Tractors, $350 inspection, labor credit of $350, Power Guard discount, $500 there on the tractor. So going along, this stays the same all the way through on corn head, sprayers, skid steer, flex head, stationary engine specifically for those pumping situations there. And then the hay equipment goes for round balers, square baler, Moco, windrower, platform, and pull type forage harvester. Sign up before January 31st in order to qualify for these. So what benefits do we get when we sign up for Field Team? So Field Team is a tiered benefit program here. So working with different levels of bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. As you can see across the top. Going down the left-hand side down, combine, we get 30 hours of a free loaner. Once you have inspected your combine, along with 4 other units totaling 5 units, you will get 30 hours free on a combine. Any inspections above that also qualify you here. Half rate loaner, what that is on our Midwest Machinery published rental rates, you will get a half rate loaner on tractors and combines. You qualify for this as at the bronze level and up. Trucking, from the silver level up, you get half rate trucking if we have to haul in your equipment to our shop. After hours fees, so during the spring and fall when Midwest Machinery is on after hours, there are after hours fees for parts and service. If you become a Field Team member at that bronze level and up, you will have those fees waived. Add-on services is the next one. What is an add-on service? So with the add-on service, they are just other things that can be done. So on planters, we have a preseason startup. There's an optimization package, meter tests. Combines, we have startups, we have crop changeovers. Tractors, there are flat rate oil changes, and so on and so forth. So on those add-on services, we have the ability to get a discount starting at 10% for bronze, 15, 20, 25, all the way up on the platinum. Precision farming support. So what is that? That is a dollar credit specifically for our precision farming package, where you gain a great opportunity to receive knowledgeable support from our precision farming team, whether that's getting globes updated, having monitors up to date with your correct lines, products, equipment, everything in there that way. Lastly, on the finance side with JDF, you have no payment, no interest until October 1st, 2021. So take advantage of no payments on the work that has been done up until next fall prior to us using it. Few of the other things that you gain, John Deere does offer a 365-day parts and labor warranty. What that is any part and labor that we install at our shop by one of our certified John Deere technicians, John Deere offers a 1-year warranty on that, but it does have to be installed by a dealer. So please plan to sign up today. You have until January 31st in order to qualify for these benefits, but we have to be signed up before then. So contact your local MMC service manager today, and thank you. If you have questions, please be sure to contact your local MMC dealership and talk to the service manager or your location manager, and they should be able to get you helped out. Thank you.